So, the final question is, why is 1 subtracted from offset top? Well, the purpose of the -1 from section top refer to code. In other words, we can see here minusing 1 or subtracting 1 from offset top. So the purpose of the -1 from section top is for when you scroll back up to the first section, which is the home section, or to the very last section, which would be the contact section, the active menu class will be applied. If you scroll back up to the first section without -1 or -1, the condition would look like the following. 0 greater than 0, and 0 is less than or equal to 0 plus 722. Or in other words, 0 greater than 0 and 0 less than or equal to 722. But, or however, 0 is not greater than 0, and as such, the left side of the logical AND operator will be false, and we need it to be true. So, if you minus -1 from 0, you get -1, and -1 is less than 0. The condition would then look like the following. 0 is greater than -1, and 0 is less than or equal to 0 plus 722, or 0 is greater than -1, which is true, and 0 is less than or equal to 722, which is also true, which is what you want. The second reason for subtracting or minusing -1 from section top is that when you reach the very last section, then it would apply the active menu class. Without it, the last section, which in this case is the contact section, would not be highlighted in the navigation menu. But why? The condition without -1 would look like the following. 3608 is greater than 3608, and 3608 is less than or equal to 2886 plus 722, or 3608 is greater than 3608, and 3608 is less than or equal to 3608. So the left side of the logical AND operator will be false, and we need it to be true. If we minus or subtract 1 from section top, then we would have the following. 3608 is greater than 3607, and that is true. And 3608 is less than or equal to 3608, which is true. So, both the left and right side of the logical operator are true. So if, for example, I was to come back to the code, and I was supposed to remove the -1, what you'll notice is that when I scroll down, you will see the active menu class is applied to each section, but when we come to the contact section, it isn't applied. And that's from what I explained earlier. When you scroll back up, it's being applied to each section. But when I come back to home and I scroll all the way to the top, it's not going to work based off of the explanation I provided just a while ago. So if we bring back the -1 or -1, and you scroll all the way down to the bottom, it's applied. Come back to home, it's applied. So yeah, that's basically it. It took me a while to like really get that and figure it out, but that's basically it. And we have a summary, but I guess you guys could read that on your own. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you.